Okay, today we're going to create a map using the Google Maps app. So once you're signed into your Google Drive, click on the little checkerboard icon there for the apps, and you might need to click on more. And there you go. Just go ahead and click on the Maps app. And feel free to go ahead and pause this video as you're doing your work. So you'll see here it's going to pop up My Maps since we have worked on this before. So go ahead and click on My Maps. And we have a new map here. So let's go ahead and create a new map. So since this map is for our physical geography unit, let's go ahead and title it that. So click on the title there and go ahead and call it Physical Geography Map. And for description, let's put the class that our class name. So Global Studies. Go ahead and hit save. Okay, so we have several things here. Let me go ahead and minimize this a little bit. So we have several things that we're going to be working on. So we need to do markers, a series of markers, 7 for the continents, 5 for the different climate zones, and 4 for different vegetation zones. So for each marker will have to be a different color. So for the continents, I'm going to go ahead and do one here. So go ahead and click on the add marker. So you just click on it, and then you click where you want to put it. So there you go. Let's go ahead and call this one North America. Make sure you spell it correct. So North America, save. There you go. So the continents have to be in blue. So go ahead and go right back over here and select on the little paint bucket there. And go ahead and pick the blue that you like. I like this one here. So there you go. You have your first marker for the continents. You have 6 more to do, and make sure that those are blue. They're easily identifiable. Also, I just want to remind you that a good resource is the textbook. On pages 551 to 552, there's some maps in there with with all the different vegetation zones and climate zones. So feel free to use that as a reference as well. So now we have our climate zones. Let's take a look at our climate zones. Okay. So for the first climate zone I'm going to do here, I'm going to go with the tundra. And I'll go ahead and add a marker right there. So I'm going to go ahead and call it tundra. All right, looks good. It's right where I want it. And let's remember, these will have to be yellow. So go ahead and click on the paint bucket again. And I like this yellow here. So there we go. Okay. So now we need one for a vegetation zone. So for the vegetation zones, let's remember that's on 552 and 553. I'm going to go ahead and do coniferous forest. I'm going to put one right there. So just make sure you add your marker right there. Now make sure it's capitalized. Coniferous forest. There we go. Make sure you hit save. And these will have to be green. So just like we did before, go ahead over here and go to the paint bucket and pick the green you like. And I kind of like, yeah, I'll go with that one. Okay. So that's how you get started. That's how you add markers. That's how you change the color. And that's how you add a title to the map. So good luck. And like I said earlier, feel free to pause it at any point so you can see what's going on. Thank you.